Hey everyone, this video is about how to use Flow workflow with your SharePoint on-premises environment. So in this video we'll talk about at least the installation and the configuration of the gateway, and then how the gateway from your local machine shows up on the Flow website. So I, for the sake of this example, have a SharePoint 2016 environment. It's running on a server 2012 R2. And I've already gone through the installation, so that's why over here you will see that I already have on-premises gateway installed. When I go back in my services, when you click on it, you will see that I already have that service running, which is the on-premises data gateway service. So since the service is already created and the gateway is set up, I'm not going to do it again. But if I open up the on-premises data gateway, first thing you will see is the UAC, but you'll also see the SQL Server 2016. That doesn't mean that you've got the wrong gateway client. This still means that it's the same gateway, so let that not alarm you. So click yes, and the gateway says that installation was successful, and next you need to sign in and register. I've already gone through the registration process and created the gateway, so it will actually prompt and tell you that the gateway is made. But if this is for the first time that you're installing, this is still the same process. You will go ahead and install gateway, and you'll go once the installation is complete, you're already halfway there, and then you'll put in the next steps. All of those steps are being provided in detail in my in the TechNet article, so you can follow that. But the key thing is, when I was installing the gateway and configuring the gateway, this is the name I gave to the gateway. So now when I go to the Power Apps, let's go over here. So when I go to my Power Apps, I click on Manage, I'll click on Gateways. You can see I've got the other ones which I've been doing testing with, but this is the one, the test 8.16.2016.4. That's the exact same one which I have over here, because that was the gateway I was using to connect from my on-prem environment to the Power Apps. So that's what I have over here. So at least in this video, this is all that I wanted to cover. My SharePoint environment is nothing different. It's a two-tier environment. It runs on a SQL server, and it runs on the Windows 2012 servers. It's a pretty straightforward environment, and I was able to install the gateway successfully, and it talks directly with my Power Apps account. Another thing is that I already have my subscription with Power Apps and Flow, so that's a requirement for you that you need to go ahead and have that done. And then after that, with the installation, you will be able to go ahead and install this gateway successfully. So in the next video, we'll actually go ahead and talk how I was able to build a Flow workflow using a SharePoint list on my on-prem environment. Thanks, and have a good day.